In this video, we're going to be talking about how to recover your Facebook password via trusted contacts. So let's just get straight into the video. The easiest way to go ahead and do so is going to be by simply opening any browser that you prefer using. And what you want to do is enter this URL, facebook.com/login/identify, just like that. And then click on search, and you'll be taken right over here where you want to simply go ahead and enter your mobile number to go ahead and identify your number or account. And if you don't want to do it from your mobile number, you can search it with your email as well. Click on continue. And once you do that, it's going to simply go ahead and find your account, send you a verification code on your email or the number that you use. And once you enter the code, then you will be allowed to create a new password. It is as simple as that. I hope this video clarifies everything for you. You can also go ahead and choose to use your trusted contacts on the same thing. Enter the full name of one of your previously designated friends and follow the instructions. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you on the next one.